Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Blended Seasons stamp set, as well as the Assortment 2 Stampin' Up! Watercolors. The stamp set and dies are only for sale in December, so it is a very time-limited promotion, and I have decided to use the watercolor pencils along with the stamp set. So because I'm using watercolor pencils, I need a waterproof ink, and I have chosen StazOn ink. I do find Memento a lovely black ink as well, but I find it water resistant as opposed to waterproof. So I am stamping on the leaves, and it's so nice how this stamp actually snugs up and it gives a real random pattern. How cool is that? So I'm going to go into a little bit of coloring here. I am using the colored watercoloring pencils from the Assortment 2 save for the pumpkin pie. The pumpkin pie is in assortment number 1. Now I've been told that the watercolor pencils may be in another issue or a catalog issue. I'm not 100% sure at the time that I am recording this. I haven't seen the new holiday catalog, so it's possible that they might be in the holiday catalog, but just in case you wanted to get them, they're definitely available in August. So I do suggest grabbing the watercolor pencils. And you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just coloring. And now I've come in with my Wink of Stella clear glitter brush pen that got empty of its juice, and I refilled it with water. So now it is a watercoloring tool. And again, I'm just coloring in the leaves. And of course I used colors that went well. Like if you choose colors, try to choose them how they would appear on the rainbow. So yellow and orange, or yellow, orange, red, or something like that, because it just looks more natural and they blend really well together. So, and with the clear glitter brush pen, I'm able to get just a little bit of sparkle on this too. So it's not as sparkly as a normal Wink of Stella, but still it works. All right, so I have an embossing buddy here, and on a black card strip of card, I should say, I am stamping with Versamark ink the thank you that is in the stamp set Blended Seasons, and of course close-up shot of action. It's actually kind of hard to see on black cardstock, I realize now, but it is melting very nicely with my heat tool. So now I'm just using my Tombow Mono adhesive, or multi-purpose glue as Stampin' Up! Likes to call it, and I'm putting that on a black mat. Then I'm going to put the black mat on my Whisper White thick card base. And what I actually colored with, or the white piece in front, was just Whisper White, just the thin stuff, layering weight paper. And I always think that it looks really nice and sharp if you have a color behind it, a very thin border. I know some people like thicker borders too. So I'm just using my paper snips here to cut a fishtail end or a banner end, and I will be popping that up on dimensionals, that thank you banner. And actually I thought about this afterwards, but it would look really nice with sequins, I think, this card. So I just wanted to remind you that starting August 1st there will be a class featuring this card. And of course I had to winkify the banner, but That's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.